Hey yo friends, that's Joe over there.
And that's Kamal. I mean Kamal. And it's the Mitsubishi
Triton. Without further ado, jom kita review kereta 4 roda ini.
Guys, English only please. Stick to the script. Asal lah.
Dia nak speaking.
Are you directing?
cakap
Or am I directing? Oh, lawan balik. Tak nak bonus ke?
Alright, so it's 2019 and boy, does this truck look it too. Look at it. Look at the grille. It's got one.
And check out these fog lamps. It set photon cannons to stunning.
Like Empire Trek, Space Wars, X-Planes, right?
You've not watched a single sci-fi show, have you?
Dulu bapa aku tinggalkan aku, bro.
I'm sorry.
These guys are exhausting.
At the back, it looks just as future. Look at it. Shout out future. Holla.
In the land down under, you can see there's flamethrower. It sparks fire. It's called an exhaust pipe, guys. Just say the words.
Yeah, whatever. The Triton has one of these.
There's a bloody script for a reason, guys. Come on.
You have a script? Moving on to performance. Kamal?
We've got 3,000 kilowatts.
More energy, please, guys.
We got 5,000 kilowatts of zebra power. Boom, boom, boom.
Subscribe!
Okay, that's a bit too much. Lower it down a little bit.
And moving on to the inside.
You have gear lever, steering wheel, handbrake, 2 pedals, and this thing that plays apples.
How you like them, Apple?
Hey, yo. I think that's the most generic interior review I've ever heard.
Apa lagi kau nak?
I don't know. Look around. How about this thing? It has seatbelts and airbags. It's got air conditioning. Oh, it's also got this.
I cannot. I give up. Idiots! Lunch!
Oh.
No.
Last but not least, line.
When it comes to the financial advantages in the after-sales department, the Mitsubishi Triton is the clear prize winner.
That's right. Over the 3 most popular pickup trucks in Malaysia, the Mitsubishi Triton is definitely the cheapest truck to maintain, as you can see in this table here. Over a 5-year ownership period or 100,000 kilometers, the Triton has the lowest maintenance cost compared to the other 2. Here we've compiled the prices of each service up to 5 years, and even with the Triton using the recommended fully synthetic engine oil instead of the cheaper middle oil used by some of the other brands, the Mitsubishi still comes off as the least costly option. In addition, the Mitsubishi Triton has a service interval of every 10,000 kilometers or every 6 months, so you don't have to send it in every 3 months. When it comes to pickup trucks, they are likely to be very vital to your livelihood. Your job, your life depends on them, so having less downtime is definitely a good thing. So the next time you go pickup truck shopping, do keep maintenance costs in mind. Whether you're buying it for work or play, cheaper maintenance and less downtime certainly make a big difference. So this has been me, Hafriz Shah, together with the Came On crew. Thank you for watching. Came On!